If Slack feels like a chaotic wall of pings and cluttered channels, you're not using it right yet. A few small setup changes turn Slack from overwhelming into genuinely useful. Here are 15 quick tips to get you there. Start with your profile. Click your picture, hit profile, then edit profile, and fill in your real name, title, time zone, and a photo. It sounds basic, but it's how teammates know who you are and when you're actually online. Next, set a status. Click your profile picture, choose Set a Status, add an emoji and short message, and pick a duration so it clears itself. Even better, connect Google Calendar or Outlook so Slack updates it automatically when you're in meetings. Now, clean up your sidebar. Hover over the channel's heading, click the three dots, and create a new section, something like Priority or Clients, then drag your channels into it. When replying to messages, use threads. Hover over a message, click Reply in Thread, and answer there instead of posting in line. It keeps channels from turning into noise. Here's a hidden gem message yourself. Click your own name under direct messages and use it as a private notepad for tasks, links, or files only you can see. Get comfortable with mentions. Use @everyone sparingly for big announcements, @channel to alert everyone active in that channel, @here for just online members, and @username when you need one specific person. Made a typo or said something wrong? Hover over your message, click the three dots, and choose Edit or Delete. Just know edited messages show a little edited tag. Need to reference something elsewhere? Hover over a message, click the three dots, choose Copy Link, and paste it anywhere. Slack automatically shows a preview of the original message. Don't forget things, set reminders. Type something like /remind me to follow up tomorrow at 9 a.m. or click the three dots on a message and choose Remind me about this. Slackbot will ping you right on schedule. For important messages, hover and click the bookmark icon to save them privately under Saved Items, or use Pin to channel from the three-dot menu if the whole team should see it. Instead of replying with "got it" 100 times, just react. Hover over a message, click the smiley icon, and pick an emoji. Just agree as a team on what things like or actually mean. Want a better look? Go to your profile picture, Preferences, then Themes, and pick something like Dark Mode. It applies instantly, so you can preview before committing. This one's huge. Tame your notifications. In Preferences, click Notifications, choose Direct Messages, Mentions and Keywords, set working hours, add keywords you care about, and mute channels you don't need constant updates from. When you really need to focus, turn on Do Not Disturb. Click your profile picture, choose Pause Notifications, and pick a duration 30 minutes, an hour, or until tomorrow. Turn it off early the same way. Finally, connect the apps you already use. Click More, then Apps, and search for tools like Google Drive, Asana, or Zoom. Just add one or two your team actually uses, don't go overboard. That's 15 small tweaks that turn Slack from chaotic to actually manageable. If this helped you clean things up, give it a like and subscribe to Online Tech Tips for more practical fixes like this.